here from Lakes and Hills, and it's our Christmas crafty hour. And today we're going to be showing you how to make this wonderful reindeer chocolate holder. Don't mind if I do. So make sure you've got a clean surface for this one because you're going to be using the good old glue gun. I'm going to tell you about the bits as we go through, but don't worry about knowing where to buy the bits because they're all on the affiliate links down below. So the first thing you're going to need is a piece of hessian there, and we're just going to get the glue gun into action and just go all the way around the edge so that it sticks. A mason's jar here. Now the mason's jar, you don't have to have one of these. You could use an old jam jar or something similar, so don't worry. As long as it's clean, as long as it doesn't smell of pickled onions anymore, you'll be all right. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to stick that round. Just let that take hold for a moment or two. With it being hessian, you might just get a little bit of glue through, but don't worry because it soon dries clear. And then this is the fun part. Oh yes, don't we just love a bit of fun? You're going to do, there we go, make sure it's properly on. Yep. Then we're going to go on about making our little reindeer. Now I've got these googly eyes, can you see them? You can find where to get those on the links, and I'm just going with my glue gun. I'm going to do this really carefully because this could be hot. Just put a tiny drop on. Glue guns are great, but if you've ever had burnt fingers, well, you'll know what I mean. So there's one eye. There we go. And doing the same again for the other eye. That's it. Make sure they're fairly straight, bless him. Then I've got a little red bobble as a nose. This is really where you've got to be careful with the glue gun. Not suitable for little ones, I'm afraid. There we go, we'll stick his little nose on there. Now we're going to look at filling him up. I've got Maltesers. Oh dear, dear, dear. These are so good. What I'm going to do is just stick them in the top and fill up the jar. Oh, one escaped. So you just fill up your jar with Maltesers or other treats. And stay tuned next week, by the way, because I've got a brilliant one of these for like with snowmen. Oh, it's ace. Haven't got time to do it today, but I will share it with you next week. If you can see, because mine's a mason's jar, you know, they're the ones with the lid like that. So I've already put a bit of hessian on the top there just to finish it off. We then pop the lid on. The best way to do this is with some pipe cleaners. I didn't want to go for brown ones. I thought it would be quite funky to have this sort of candy cane stripe one. And all you need to do is literally stick this down. I'm going to actually cut a weeny bit off that, I think. I'm going to make them about that size. Just cut a bit off. And then I shall end up gluing that on. But all I really did was take a long one. I shall now measure that and think, right, okay, so that's about the same size, so that's the length I want for that bit. So cut it off, and then with the spare you just literally get some smaller, like inch or so pieces near to the top, and with them being pipe cleaners they're really good, look, because they just twist and they stick on, which is really ace. If you are giving these to young children, please do supervise them. We obviously, you know, don't want any small bits going in their little mouths and things, but you know, if you're doing these, say, for older children, it's fantastic. And then literally all I'm going to do is take this and and I'm going to glue them to the top. But this could be rather boring because I'm going to have to hold this for a moment or two. So I shall show you the finished article in a moment. And there you have it. Here's your cute little reindeer jar. As I say, stay tuned for next week because there's going to be snowman one.